Hey, this is Brad with Nomad Cycles. I'm going to show you fitting an American style bottom bracket, which is common in like cruiser bikes or BMX, anything with a one-piece single crank, or also anything from pre-70s, like in the 60s and earlier, for American-made bikes, have a larger than normal bottom bracket shell, and we're fitting a Bafang onto it. The Bafang's made to fit a regular English threaded bottom bracket, and it's not going to fit unless there's an adapter. So I'm going to show you this adapter. So you can see right here, the frame has a much larger circle than the bottom bracket in the motor needs to go into, and it wouldn't fit unless we had this pressed in piece here. So it comes in two halves, goes on either side, and I pressed it in with just a headset press. We pressed it in with a headset press, and I'm sure you could probably make it work with like a 2x4 or a hammer or something, but the press was much nicer. Also, if you look here, one side, so this is the adapter, and that little piece down there, that flange before this, the collar, that flange is part of the adapter. It's only on one side, and first we put it on the drive side, and found out that when we put it over there, it moved the chain line out further, and it wasn't necessarily desirable that way. So we put it on this side, and I think it makes more sense. Since this collar has these little teeth to bite in, it bit into that raised piece, so it makes more sense there. So you can see we had enough room to put the lock nut on here, but not the dust cover over the lock nut. That's fine as long as it's on there tight. It's gonna hold. So yeah, I'll show you a picture of what I got. I just got it off of Amazon. I was on a organized group ride here in Portland, and I met this dude on an antique bike with the Bafang on it, and he had made those. So that was his invention there. So yeah, that's it. If you have an antique bike or a cruiser bike, or even a seemingly normal bike like this one that happens to have a large bottom bracket shell, you can get this little adapter and put it on there, and it works great.